Terra 2.0 is finally live, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to stake your new Luna tokens. Let's get straight to it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajahat, and yeah, it is currently just 7:45 a.m. and the new Terra network just came out about 45 minutes ago. Pretty exciting. I mean, let's just see what happens. Like I said before, I don't want to get too excited about the new network given what's happened. I'm sure we all know what's happened. But in this video, I don't want to focus too much on that. What I want to do is just basically show you exactly how to stake your Luna so that you can participate in governance and of course earn that passive income, which at the moment is approximately around 7% a year. Now, a lot of you who do have Luna at the moment will understand that you've probably got about 30% of it liquid, 70% of it locked, which is already automatically being staked. And in this video, I'll kind of show you how to see who you've staked with, how to change your validator, and a few things related to that as well. So let's just get straight to it. How do you even see what's going on? Well, you need to go to Terra Station. You can just go on Google and type in Terra Station and you'll come to an interface like this, which you can connect to your wallet with. As you can see, I've done with one of my wallets here. And you'll just come to this dashboard. You'll see how many tokens you've got in your wallet and you'll see what's being staked at the moment. Now, it should be approximately, well, it's going to be based on kind of what you had before. If you had some UST before, if you had some Luna before, there was 2 snapshots. So yeah, just your allocation is based on kind of what you had before. And Terra Station is the main place to participate in staking and governance as well. So what we're going to do today, well, we're just going to focus on staking. So let's go to the staking tab. And you'll obviously see here that I've currently got a bit of Luna delegated at the moment. And yeah, scroll down, you'll see all the different validators. There's currently over 100 of them. And you can basically click on each of them and kind of read about what they offer and kind of what their commission is. Bear in mind that this 5% commission isn't actually a 5% cut. Rather, it's whatever kind of profits you make. Let's say if you were going to get 1 Luna as a reward, rather you'll get 0.95 Luna instead. So I think a little commission is always a good thing. It helps validators to, you know, carry on doing the work that they provide, which is obviously helping to keep the network nice and secure as well. And you still get your nice passive income anyway. So how do you actually stake? Well, first of all, you need to scroll down and obviously find a validator. As you can see, there's so many of them. You can click on them. Some of them will have Twitter pages. I believe, you know, most of them might not be updated given that the network's just gone live, but by the time you're watching this video, I assume they probably will. So you can just click on them. So we're going to click on OneStar. That's one of my favorite validators. And you can kind of see all the different information that's available here. So currently they have only a 4.5% commission, and you can kind of see a little bit of information about them. And all you need to do is, you've got basically 3 buttons on the side here: delegate, redelegate, and undelegate. Now, delegate is obviously the Luna that you've got in your wallet that's liquid. You can allocate that to OneStar, and it's as simple as just clicking delegate, and then obviously just entering however many Luna you want to delegate. So if I want to delegate 10 Luna, I'll just click submit, pay the transaction fee, and now 10 Luna will be delegated to OneStarValidators, who will obviously participate in the governance, and you're going to be able to earn that nice passive income on that, which, like I mentioned before, is going to be approximately around 7% a year. Now, if you want to redelegate, essentially what that means is if you've got some Luna currently staked with a validator, well, you can click redelegate and you can basically move some of the Luna that's with another validator. So you can see that I've got some Luna with stake with us, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move some of it over. So let's just move 50 Luna over. I'm going to click submit, pay the gas fee, and yeah, just within a couple of seconds now you can see, if we go back to the staking tab, that I now have 50 Luna delegated with OneStar. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. And all right, you know, it's also important to kind of undelegate and basically take your rewards out as well. So let's see how you do that. So first of all, you need to click on whichever particular validator that you want to select. So we want to click stake with us. And if you want to undelegate, you'll click the third button, undelegate, and then you could basically, I don't know, enter however many Luna you want to undelegate. Bear in mind that this is going to take 21 days. So yeah. The other thing is to bear in mind is that a lot of this Luna that most of us have at the moment is vested over a 2-year period, so we won't actually be able to undelegate it. It'll have to be remain staked. But yeah, just bear that in mind. There is a 6-month cliff before this Luna starts to unlock. So yeah, for the next 6 months, most of it is staked. At least we can earn a little bit of passive income on it. But yeah. So that's pretty much how to delegate. Now, if you want to withdraw your rewards, again, you just click on this button in the top right corner. I don't have any rewards to show you, but essentially, if you're familiar with the previous style of staking, which is pretty much the same as far as I'm aware as this style, you'll have your Luna rewards that you'll be getting from staking, and you'll just be able to withdraw them. They'll come directly into your wallet, and you can do whatever you want with that. So that's pretty much it. If you want to stake your Luna, make sure you go check out OneStarValidators, and I'll leave a link in the description because I think they're very trustful and they're good validators. So I delegate some of my Luna to them. Of course, nothing is financial advice on this channel. I'm just here to try and educate you. You can make your own decision. Delegate your Luna to whoever you want, really. There's a lot of good validators here, and some of these validators are actually, you know, protocol developers themselves. For example, Orion, the White Whale as well. Let's have a look. What else can we find quickly? I might even be missing a few just as I'm scrolling through here. But as far as I remember, there are a lot of, Danku, who is another Terra content creator on YouTube, who does a lot of great stuff as well. So yeah, you've got a lot of validators here. Does it really matter which one you pick? I don't really think so, but I think maybe picking a few is always a good idea, just to be a little bit diverse. Of course, your validators can make mistakes, and they can get slashed for basically validating the wrong blocks, so just bear that in mind as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to stake. That's how to earn some nice passive income on your Luna, which we all are doing anyway, given the vesting period that we've got on our Luna. So I hope that helps. I hope that clarifies some things. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'm back with another video soon.